A very happy morning to all my dear children. Welcome back to your computer class. Dear children, as you all know, today is your computer assessment. So, we will read the question paper, we will know it and understand it. Let's see the question paper. This is your second semester assessment, subject computer, standard 5th, today's date 17th March 2021 and total marks 60. First of all, we will see the instructions. You have to write in a clear, neat and legible handwriting. Write the answers in the answer sheet. Write the following details, that is name, class, division, date and subject in your answer sheet on every page. Write the questions also in your answer sheet. The photo or PDF of the answer sheet has to be submitted before or by 8 p.m. on the day of assessment itself. Now we will see our question paper. In that, the first question is question number 1. Choose the correct option of 15 marks. In that, the first one. Which of the following shortcut key is used to run the slideshow? F3, F4 or F5? Second, dash stores deleted emails, that is trash, draft or inbox. Third, the dash command is used to reverse the unwanted action, undo, redo or none of these. A worksheet in Excel has dash rows. 1,48,576, 16,384 or 576. The fifth one, the extend selection mode can be enabled using the dash key F6, F7 or F8. The sixth, an Excel 2016 file is saved with dash extension .docx, .xlsx or .pptx. Moving on to our next question, that is question number 7. Smart Art has dash categories 6, 7 or 8. 8. In an email address, the user's login name and the domain name are separated by dash. The signs are hashtag, @ or the percentage sign. 9. R in a URL stands for dash, resource, remote or reform. 10th. The format command is available in the dash tab, home, insert or design tab. Which one is not a PowerPoint animation effect? That is entrance, movement or exit. 12. Which of the following options are present in the cell groups on the home tab? Delete, insert or both first and second. 13. Dash can be sent with an email message, picture, voice message or both first and second. Moving on to our next question, that is 14th. Dash is a shortcut key to select the entire worksheet. Ctrl plus A, Shift plus A, Alt plus C. 15. Which of the following options are available on clicking the down arrow of the new slide option? Duplicate selected slides, reuse slides or both A and B. Moving on to our next question, write true or false of 7 marks. The first one, the audio and video buttons are present in the media group on the home tab. Second, Excel is used to create a text document. Third, cell can be inserted into a worksheet. Fourth, cells, rows and columns can be inserted in the existing document. Fifth, was founded by Mark Zuckerberg. Sixth, a web page is a document written in HTML. Seventh, you can add notes to the slides in your presentation. I hope you are clear with your second question. Let's move on to a third question, that is fill in the blanks of 10 marks. The first one, the audio button is present in the dash tab. Second, dash are the special effects that you can add to the text and objects on a slide. Third, by default, a worksheet is open in dash view. Fourth, to delete the cell content, select the cell and press dash. Fifth, the insert, delete and format options are present in the dash group on the home tab. Sixth, dash represents data horizontally in the worksheet. 7. Dash is a free video sharing website that makes it easy to watch online videos. 8. The letter addressing system is synonymous with the dash. 9. The name box displays the dash of the active cell. 10th, the reuse slide panes appears to the dash of the window. Question number 4, that is match the following column A, column B of 7 marks. The first one in column A, select the entire worksheet, select a row, total number of columns, index page of website, related collection of web pages, number addressing and letter addressing. Column B, you can have here in the first one cbsc.nic.in, website control plus A 192.12.148.73, home page 16,384, and the last one is shift plus space bar. Moving on to our next question, that is explain the following terms of 7 marks. You will explain these terms. Number 1, formula bar, partial modification, overwriting, animations, transitions, screenshot and active cell. Moving on to our next question, that is question number 6. Answer the following question, any 7 of 14 marks. 8 questions are given to you. You can attempt any 7. First one, explain the 3 view buttons on the status bar in Excel. Second, what is the difference between CC and BCC options? Third, what are the 2 methods of internet addressing? Give one example of each. Fourth, what is the difference between copying and moving a range of cells? Fifth, explain the 4 print layouts. Sixth, what is animation? What are the 4 animation effects? 7. Write the steps to creating a new workbook. And the last one is, how will you change the row height using the options on the ribbon? Dear children, I hope you are very much clear with your question paper. Do very well. All the best, dear children. God bless you all.